Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another knife from ArtisanCutlery, and this one comes in a really nice big box. I will be talking about the ArtisanCutlery Tomahawk, so model number 1815G-Bus. And as I mentioned in my previous ArtisanCutlery videos, ArtisanCutlery is offering a few tiers of, let's say, quality for the customer, and this one is one of their high-end offerings. So it comes in nice large box. Inside you have another box, which is a big tin can, so you can use it for maybe storage. And inside we have a nice nylon pouch, which nowadays all those higher-end Chinese manufacturers are offering. Maybe one downside is the, how should I say it, it has a little strong odor or such a chemical smell to it. I don't know why, but it is what it is, so don't be surprised. Inside we have silica gel, of course, a instruction, some information about the product. Of course, we have also a microfiber glove. And before I start with the knife, let's see what else is inside. So you have a nice 2-compartment pouch, so this is good to have. Maybe you can carry 2 knives, and they also give you a nice card. This is their website, you can go check it out. And like with the previous models, they have also a card there. I will give you quick specs about the knife, so what materials were used and so on, the model number and the name of the knife, which is always good to see when the manufacturer goes the extra mile and gives their product a name, because it is much better to remember. I carry a ArtisanCutlery Tomahawk than I carry a ArtisanCutlery 1815G-Bus. Okay, so good to see there. Okay, but let's talk about the knife. This is one of their really nice premium designs, and it comes in 2 blade variants, so, or should I say blade material variants. One, as you can see here, is S35VN, and they have also a M390 version, which will be a little bit more expensive than this one. But let's talk pricing on later. The construction of the knife is really simple. You have a titanium scales with a steel insert, ceramic ball bearings pivot assembly. You have a nice 3D milled pocket clip, a partial backspacer with the company name engraved. The pocket clip you can switch right or left carry, which is always good to have. The scale is milled out for probably weight reduction, but also aesthetic. It's an aesthetic feature. You have a nice, decent lanyard hole right there. The flipper is nicely rounded, so it's not that sharp. It has a really smooth opening and also closing. So let's talk about the specifications. So we have an overall length of 8.98, so almost 9 inches. So that is 22.8 centimeters. The blade is made out of S35VN. It is 3.94 inches long, or 10 centimeters. The blade thickness is 0.16 inches, or almost 4 millimeters. It has a butcher style, or let's say really modified sheep's foot, which is really popular nowadays. And the handle is 5.04 inches, or 12.8 centimeters. The weight of the knife is 5.11 ounces, or 145 grams. It has really nice and smooth ergonomics, so there are not hot spots whatsoever. The blade has two finishes on it, so you have your satin ground area and also the flatty satin, but this top part here and here is should I say only this part here is bead blasted. Artisan Cutlery is making really beautiful designs. They are producing right now, and they have lots of different options out there, so if you like, you can go check them out. I hope in future I can buy more their knives. And okay, let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So the price on the S35VN blade is $248.99, so almost $250. The M390 variant is almost 300. So 299.99. I don't know why they are putting those 99s. Maybe some kind of psychological effect that it is not 300, but it is 300. Okay. So 300 for the M390 variant and 250 for the S35VN, which in my opinion is absolutely okay. They also offered this design in a mid-tier option. I hope to get it at a later time, and we'll share with you, but that will feature a carbon fiber or G10 scale with the D2 blade. Okay, so let's see some size comparisons. So here it is with the Endura from Spyderco, so they are almost the same size. Then of course the big Griptilian, small Griptilian just for the fun. A Strider SMF, which is the same size because this is a 9-inch knife. And also Kershaw blur, which is smaller, of course. And not to forget the Delica, just for good measure. Okay, so this was the Artisan Cutlery Tomahawk. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.